mentai ni phaj ki khubor ki bakhambania ka Iing Dorbar Thaw an ga Meghalaya menta kasngi kala Kynmaw ki laingut ki khot jongka ba dia ki arpunyongut ki wei ki Nongmih Khmat ki bala Khlad no hakini ki benai bala dap ka Dorbar senrai bahan riu sngi kala sedang menta kasngi da ka jing penruai itri hakani ka Dorbar ka advisory committee bala Khlad ulampang uba met ba lungdo kala aila laisngi banya krenya ki baya dei jong ka sarkar ba laisngi naga benta ki wei pat ki khot ka Iing Dorbar ka Iing Dorbar kala sedang daga jingkran jong ulampang ubala penbenaya ka kaipot jong ka business advisory committee ka baken thop ye ki kerteng jong ki tu ki Nongmih Khmat ki ban shim haka jaka jong ulampang Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma ula shim haka jaka jong sembut Menteri Rangba Preston Tensong ula wanra Khmat jong ka Iing Dorbar ya ka notification of the Meghalaya State Consumer Protection Salary Allowances and Condition of Services of President and Members of the State Commission and District Commission Rules 2021 Badru Yaka 13th Annual Report of the Meghalaya State Information Commission for the year 2021. Habakran Shapang kini ki Nongmih Khmat Menteri Rangba ukorat ke sangma ulaong.
As well as the country as a whole have lost a large number of leaders. We have almost 20 leaders from different parts of this great nation of ours whom we have lost. And from our state itself, there are 3 very tall leaders who we lost. In the last 6 months, from our state alone, we lost late Obil Ndait, who was a former member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. P.W. Kongji, who also was a former member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shri Misalin Suchiang, who was also a former minister of Meghalaya and an MLA, 4-time MLA, Nand Kumar Singh Chauhan, who was a member of parliament from Khandwa in Madhya Pradesh, Ram Swarup Sharma, who was a member of parliament from Himachal Pradesh, C.A. Korean, a former deputy speaker of the Kerala Legislative Assembly, Surendra Sirsat, the former speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly, Rao Sahib Antapurkar, who was a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Bhumidhar Barman, the former Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Arun Kumar Walia, who was a former minister in Delhi, Majendra Narzari, a former MLA of Assam, Leho Ram Goro, former MLA of Assam Legislative Assembly, Indra Hridayesh, an MLA of Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly, Toshi Wungtung, a member of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, Veerbhadra Singh, the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, G. Madegowda, the former MP and a cabinet minister.
Unongyalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, u balaya shembenta hakanika Kynmaw ngolem yakini ki Nongmih Khmat ulaong.
Abel Kandait as a veteran, shrewd politician. We lost him, and though he was 78 by the time he left us, till then he has been active in his contribution for the overall progress and prosperity of the people around him. He has extensively contributed both as a member of the state legislature and also as a member of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. And I would say that his loss is not only a loss to the people of his constituency which he represented and to the family and friends, but to all the people of the state. I condole his death, and through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I convey my deepest condolences to the members of the Berry family and pray that his departed soul rest in eternal peace. Let Dr. P.W. Khongji, who was again a very close friend as well as a colleague in this August House. We lost him. I think it was too early for him to leave us at the age of 62. We were together in Regional Institute of Medical Science, Imphal, and even while we were there, he was there since he was senior to me, senior to our batch. He was always available for consultation, discussion, as we had a very vibrant, strong student community there, and particularly the outstation student community. And we did take up many issues for the overall welfare of our student community. And he has been definitely a guide, an advisor, more like an elder brother guiding all of us. And after that, it was again a privilege to have him in this August House as one of our colleagues. I remember I was always tempted to visit Sora while he was the member of this August House. I had innumerable programs with him, organized by him in his constituency. I could see how committed he was. He understood the potentiality of the Sora area.